Listen to the sound of the falling rain.
Poo.
I smell like poo.
Did you shit yourself, boy?
No, I didn't.
Are you sure? Smells like you shit yourself.
Did you poop your pants, boy? No.
Are you sure? Because it smells like you pooped your pants.
No, I didn't poop my pants.
Can you hear it? Ow. 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 Ow, my fucking neck. For a week, my hip hurts. My ribs hurt so bad I can barely sleep at night. Okay, last night my hips were, my ribs were fine. And now I hurt my neck. I woke up in the middle of the night with my neck hurting, and I couldn't fucking get back to sleep. Now my neck is killing me. There's always something in it. Yeah, they're bad for that. Dick. I said you're a dick. What are you going to do about it? That's right, nothing. Hey, look at that. I didn't know I had a zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Devin did something bad and now I got drug tested and he's gonna get shit canned. Oh well, nice knowing you.